The story of Clan Shaw starts with Shaw Macduff, a descendant of Duncan, Earl, or Thane of Fife. Shaw Macduff was entrusted with the responsibility of guarding the strategic royal castle at Inverness by King Malcolm IV. This marked the clan's initial steps into the pages of Scottish history. Over time, Shaw's descendants, known as the Mhic and Toiseach or sons of the Thane, consolidated their power in the Inverness region, staunchly supporting the royal government. Their influence expanded with Shaw Macwilliam's acquisition of significant lands at Rothiemurchus in 1236. However, the clan faced constant threats from neighbouring clans, especially Clan Comyn. To bolster their position, Ferquard, the son of Shaw Macwilliam, forged a strategic alliance by marrying Mora, the daughter of Angus Mhor, Lord of Islay. This alliance played a pivotal role in shaping the clan's future. The most significant milestone in Clan Shaw's history came in 1291 when Ferquard's son, Angus, married Eva, the daughter of Dougal Dall, a descendant of Mhor. This union led to the birth of the large tribal confederation known as Clan Comyn. Additionally, it marked the emergence of Clan Shaw as a distinct entity within Clan Comyn, with John, the second son of Angus and Eva, becoming the first chief of Clan Shaw. As the clan continued to grow, it became embroiled in regional conflicts, most notably the long-standing feud with Clan Comyn. Clan Comyn rallied behind Robert the Bruce, fighting valiantly at the Battle of Bannockburn in 1314 and participating in Scottish invasions of England in 1318 and 1319. The feud with Clan Comyn, which had led to the Battle of Inverness, continued to threaten the region's stability. To settle the dispute, a trial by combat of champions was proposed, with Shaw Bucktooth leading Clan Comyn to the battleground at the North Inch of Perth in September 1396. This historic event, witnessed by luminaries such as Robert III and the Dauphin of France, solidified Clan Comyn's place in Scottish history. As the centuries passed, Clan Shaw continued to prosper. The grandson of Shaw Bucktooth, settled at Toiseach in 1468, establishing a powerful force in their own right known as Clan A or Clan A. In the 18th century, Clan Shaw played significant roles in the Jacobite uprisings of 1715 and 1745. Notably, Clan Shaw members were known for their discipline, equipment, and bravery, with some individuals, like Angus of Toiseach, facing personal conflicts over allegiance during these tumultuous times. In 1970, Major Ian Shaw of Toiseach received recognition from the Lord Lion in the undifferenced arms of the name, signifying an unbroken continuity to the ancient Earls of Fife. Today, the Clan Shaw legacy lives on through its tartans, including the distinctive Shaw of Toiseach tartan and the Green Shaw tartan, symbolizing the clan's resilience and commitment, even in the face of adversity.